Hello world. Okay, I just woke up. Lovely kitties. It's about noon. And there's a hummingbird in the garage somewhere. If you can see it. Somewhere. Where'd it go? Hang on, where'd it go? These things are like, there it is. Can you see it? Did I lose it? Anyway, those things are like giant Wasper birds, if you ask me. We got all this door space open, and it won't fly low enough to get out. There it is, there it is. No? Was that just a flick on my screen? It's landed. It's landed. And this thing is really small. It's smaller than an average hummingbird. So it's probably either really young or like just a smaller breed I haven't seen before. Oh! Cat just clawed at my feet. How dare you, sir? Ah. Oh, okay, okay. Anyway, so there's two cats in here, one hummingbird, two giant garage doors open, and the only reason I woke up this morning, actually, is to come out here because I heard people yelling. They've been trying to wake me up for 2 hours, but no, the second I hear there's a hummingbird in the garage, I wake up, jump up, make sure I'm wearing pants, grab my butterfly net, come out here, of course, after a couple attempts of trying to capture it. They're not too fond of me anymore because I was throwing the net at the ceiling trying to hit the bird. But you can't help it. I can't help it. It was too low. Where is it? There, it's in the corner. And it's not. There it is. Follow that. It likes to rest there periodically, but it can't stop for long. That's the longest the thing has sat down all day. Anyway, I gotta go get ready for a day of homework. So